Okay, so let us see now how do we handle the ratios when they are giving you a time that requires someone to do some work and then also someone to do some work. Then they ask you how long will it take both to do that same work together. So I'm going to see, but please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Now here, John can dig a piece of land in 6 hours and Tom can do the same in 7 hours. How long will it take them to dig the same land together? So all you do, we get the product of their time over the sum of their time. So now our time here is going to be the product of their time. We have this one, John took 6. So 6 times this one took 7.5 hours over the sum of their time. So 6 plus 7.5. This will be the same as 6 times 7.5. This half is 0.5. Then this will be 6 plus 7.5. And when you put this on the calculator, you see that you are going to get up. You have 6 times 7.5. Here you have 45. Now you have, I think this one is going to give you 13.5. And so that now your time there is going to give you, when you simplify that, you get 3 whole number, then 1 over 3 hours. Now, how do we convert now this to hours? All you do, you just get this times, now to convert these minutes to hours. So, a third times 60, this will be 20 minutes. So meaning this will be 3 plus a third hours, which will be 3 now, plus the 40 minutes, the 20 minutes. 20 minutes. So meaning it's going to take them 3 hours and 20 minutes. So start, if they do up together, time has reduced to that. When you come here now, we have, it takes Thomas this hour, this a certain job, then John takes 5 hours, while Mary takes 7.5 hours. How long will they finish this job if they work together? What you do here now, because this one works if you have 2 people. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to get the first of all the time for Thomas and then John at once. So team 1 will be, now here I'm considering Thomas and John, time for Thomas and John. It means that if here I consider time for Thomas and John, so here I consider Thomas and John. So this, their time will be, I get the sum, the product of their time. So this is 4.5, which is 4.5. Then times, John takes 5 over the sum, 4.5 plus 5. And this is going to give me, when I multiply there, so that I have 4.5 times 5, I have 22.5, the whole over. When I add here, I have 9.5. So now, the time for these two is this. Now meaning, the time now, I'm going now to consider this as one person. So now I consider now for T1 and then for this Mary. So meaning, T2, of course T2 is going to be the time left for Mary, which is 7.5. Meaning, the time altogether will be T1 plus, times T2 times T2 over T1 plus T2. So here, our T2 is here. If we can reduce that, it's going to be now let us leave it the way it is. T1 22.5 over 9.5, then plus 31, which is 7.5, the whole over 8. I think we are multiplying here, sorry, times the whole over 2.5 over 9.5, then times 7.5. So here I'm doing this because this formula works if you have two separate time for two people. So now I group this one together as separate time. Now I take it as one. Then T2 is for this Mary. So from here, if you simplify, start our time is going to be now. So this is, please, it's a plus. Now plus. So here I get 1.8 hours. And so my time will be 1 hour. Then plus 0.8. These are hours. Now to convert them to minutes, we multiply by 60 minutes. So this would be 1 hour. Then plus this would be, I think, 48. Yeah, 48 minutes. Simple as that. So here we have also, it takes 6 days for 9 men to dig a trench of 109 meters. How many days will it take 12 men to dig a trench of this and this? So here the solution is very easy. I'm going to be giving you two solutions. What you do, you draw a table. So if what they are asking for is what you end with in this table. So instead they are asking for the number of days. So we say, first of all, we add 6 days. Now we want to know how many days we want. So we have there X days. Then we add, first of all, 9 men. We have 9 here, men. And then we have 12 in the second. Then we had the length was 108 meters. Then the new is 129 meters. So how do we get this number of days? The idea is very easy. The product of this and this will be equal to the product of this and this. So what you do, you get x times 108 times 12 equaling to 9 times 129 times 6. So to make your x the subject will be the whole over 12 times 108, and so your x will be, all you do, 9 times 5.375 days. By now, we can't have these days. Now we get this in hours. So this will be, x will be 5 days now plus 0.375 times 1 day has 24 hours. Times 24 hours. So now this will be 5 days, then plus 24 times this, 0.375 times 24, which gives me 9 hours. And that is the simple method. You can do this product now by always get what you are missing, then you get a product like this. The product, then also will be equal to that product there with ease. So that's how we handle those ones. I wish you the best.